Hi, my name is Morgan Bailey, and we are standing in front of a 222CR2 South Bay Pontoon. The exterior on this boat has a blackout package, exterior rail panel black, and the bottom one is lagoon. Lagoon is super pretty on the water, very tropical. This particular South Bay Pontoon is a tri-tune. It has a 2.75 package underneath it, so that'll give you your 3/4 length tube underneath the chassis. All South Bay Pontoons have a standard stainless steel ladder on it, and it also has a no pinch system, so you don't have to worry about your fingers getting pinched. Also on this South Bay, you'll notice we have a 200 horsepower Mercury motor on it. And what's really unique about this CR2 is you've got the bench seat in the back. Parents can sit out there, watch their kids play, or you can even fish off the back of it. Now onto the interior of this 24-foot CR2. We've got the Alpine Smoke with Lagoon Accent vinyl. It is true touch, so touching it is the closest touch you can get to genuine leather. Coming over here to the Helm, we've got a Lowrance Hook 5 GPS system in it, Wet Sounds audio, and we've got 2 cup holders. Moving to the back of this boat, we've got this nice L-shaped lounger. It's really nice to kick your feet back up. You've even got storage underneath this chase lid here. Moving into the back of this boat, you'll see that we have an L-shaped lounger here. Perfect for kicking your feet back, getting a nice suntan. You've even got storage underneath this chase lid. As we talked about earlier, we do have a bench seat back here. There's storage underneath. Super nice for parents that want to chill on the back of the boat while they watch their kids play in the water. Once again, my name is Morgan Bailey, and we are standing upon a 224CR2 by South Bay Pontoons. We are at the DFW RV party presented by Funtown RV. The fun starts here.